Yes.
Hello, I'm Mike with Fuse, and I have unbelievable news for the homeowners of San Mateo County. Recently, we just got the news that there is insane rebates available. Insane amounts. We never seen such amounts ever for the rebates. You can stack up to over like $10,000 in the rebates. And I'm talking about heat pump water heater, heat pump for your HVAC, and electric panel upgrade. You stack those up together, you can qualify for the 10,000s in rebates. And this is coming from Peninsula Clean Energy and from Bayren. And Fuse HVAC, we are official representatives of both, so we can apply on your behalf and get you all those rebates. And they just started now as October 1st. So we're very happy to come out, give you an estimate, give you an excellent price, and get you all those rebates. So imagine your system on a normal day would cost like $20,000. You can get it for half the price and get an actual check in the mail with the money back. Again, we've never seen such an insane amount of rebates before. We had previous rebates, it was like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, but to get up to $10,500 is insane. So what I'm talking is, it's like about $4,000 for the water heater, about $4,500 for the heat pump, and if you also do the electric panel upgrade, it's another $1,500. On top of that, if you do it prior to March 31st of 2023, you get an extra $500. Once you add this all up, it's $10,500 free. So please do not waste time and get on this. Highly recommend, and will help you to do very excellent installation. Thank you.